Welcome friends to the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre Series 2. These are the official updates from Rolls-Royce themselves. And the Spectre, it initially came out for 2022. That's when it first got unveiled. Now for 2027, we already have the Series 2 with some very good updates. And of course, the Spectre, it'll continue to be offered in the regular Spectre model and also as the black badge. Anyway, this new Series 2, it now gets more range, 18% more range than before. So it can do up to 390 miles of total range. And the charge times have also been reduced by up to 14%. And the black badge Spectre Series 2 now becomes the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever. So it's got 500 kilowatts of power when you have the vehicle in its infinity mode and up to 1100 Newton meters of torque in the spirited mode. When you convert that over, the black badge Spectre Series 2 will have about 670 horsepower and 811 pounds-feet of torque. Of course, we continue to have even more bespoke options when you custom build these vehicles, and we also have an iced black exterior detailing that's now been introduced for the black badge models. We have a new clock design that draws on aviation instruments, and the final highlight here, it's going to be the new bespoke interior offering. It's the duality twill and placed perforation that's now going to be available on the Spectre. Now let's go through some of the details here, and as always, I'm going to have the full official press release from Rolls-Royce on the screen for you to check out. That way you will know everything there is to know regarding this vehicle. All right, going through some of the details here. Obviously, the new Series 2 Spectre, it's got more power, right? And everything has been tuned and calibrated for even more immediacy and control for Series 2. Rolls-Royce simply says that they have re-engineered battery cell technology. And yes, this is a United States press release, but the 390 miles, I mean, to be honest, that's probably going to translate to about 326 miles of range in the United States, since they are using the European WLTP test cycle. And just so you know, the regular Spectre, the non-black badge, that also gets more power, 592 horsepower, 748 pounds-feet of torque when you convert everything over. And Rolls-Royce claims that the bespoke build program for the Spectre, it is very popular. The demand for the bespoke commissions on the Spectre, it's surpassed only by the Phantom, according to Rolls-Royce. Apparently, some clients, they request more than 20 individual and personal bespoke elements on their vehicle. And we do have some new materials and things to talk about, but of course, being that this is the Series 2, the overall look of the vehicle, it's changed slightly. Not a big dramatic update, of course, but we still have here the split headlamp design. We have new 23-inch forged alloy wheels. It's a unique multi-spoke design, and they claim that the wheel is forged with an exceptionally sharp 2.5 millimeter radii, allowing the surfaces to retain their crisp diamond-like definition even after polishing. I mean, yeah, it does look amazing for sure. I do like the new Rolls-Royce wheels. I remember growing up, their wheels looked awful. Now they genuinely do have some very beautiful looking wheels on just about all of their vehicles. And growing up, yeah, I was definitely a Rolls-Royce fanboy. One of my most favorite cars growing up, it was the Phantom Coupe and the Drophead Coupe. And then after a while, I noticed that the Wraith dropped, and that kind of became my new favorite Rolls-Royce. But now looking back at it, for sure, the Phantom Coupe, that was the one with the most amount of presence, for sure. I've seen many Wraiths now out on the road, and they simply don't carry the same level of presence. However, I saw a Spectre, and the Spectre, that's totally different. This truly is one of my most favorite designs from the company, the Spectre that is. And I think I like it so much because it sits beautifully in the middle of what the Wraith and the previous Phantom Coupe used to be. Phantom Coupe was just kind of too much, too big, and the Wraith simply did not have the same level of presence in the real world. But this new Spectre, it's just so modern, sleek, but at the same time has a truly commanding presence out on the road. It's a good size. And for the Series 2, we do have a new solid exterior finish known as Ethereal Blue that's been developed for the Series 2, so you can now choose that color. And regarding the interior, we do have some new materials here. We have this duality twill. It's a rayon fabric made from bamboo. The twill textile, it's embroidered with duality graphics based on an abstract interpretation of the two interlinked letter R initials of the brand. And a duality twill interior on the Spectre Series 2, it can incorporate up to 2.6 million stitches, 10 miles of thread, requiring up to 25 total hours to construct. I mean, all the combinations and everything that you can order on a Rolls-Royce, it's pretty much infinite. This has been the case now for years. And glazed perforation leather that's also available on the Series 2, where we have precision cut patterns. We have over 78,000 perforations, just all kinds of nutty numbers. But moving on, we have a new distinctive high gloss brindled walnut veneer, however you say that. The finish is created by combining walnut sourced from non-fruiting trees, which would ordinarily be burned, but regardless, the finish, it's going to be sealed with a lacquer infused with a fine powder of glass flakes before a final clear coat is applied. The interior panel and the clock gallery that now spans the entire width of the fascia, joined by a new illuminated fascia artwork. We have a directional wave pattern that's composed of 8,108 individual pixel-like illuminations that appear to flow across the surface. Okay, and a new timepiece has also been introduced, and again, it takes inspiration from aviation instruments. Regarding the black badge, we do have a new iced black exterior detailing where you can transform most of the bright work to a matte finish. This treatment is going to be applied to the grille, the side frame finishers, the bumper inserts, the double R badge on the side, the door handles, and even the Spirit of Ecstasy that's also going to be finished in the matte black. And we do have new wheels for the black badge as well, and you can get these wheels finished in iced matte black as well. It's the first time where the black badge wheels have been offered in this finish. And Rolls-Royce goes on about some of the Spectre ownership. Some interesting facts here. The Spectre is apparently the second Rolls-Royce in a 7-car garage. The average annual mileage recorded on the Spectre, it's about 4,000 miles a year, which Rolls-Royce claims is consistent with the other two-door Rolls-Royce models like the Wraith, the Dawn, and the Phantom Coupe. So all of these coupes are pretty much being driven around 4,000 miles a year. And the Spectre, it's pretty much charged exclusively at home, of course. And I have to say, I mean, 4,000 miles on just a Spectre when the average Rolls-Royce client has about 7 cars in their garage is pretty impressive. That's actually a lot of miles. They even go on to say that a European client has traveled over 30,000 miles in 2 years after taking delivery of their Spectre. That's around 3 times more than the average annual mileage typically recorded by a Rolls-Royce. Regardless of that, those are your official updates from Rolls-Royce themselves. But if you found value with this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Take care and goodbye.